You've built your catalog and connected your payment gateway, but getting a customer to click buy is only step one. Now you actually have to physically move that product across the logistics grid and directly into their hands. Over the next 5 minutes, we are going to configure your store's shipping engine. You will learn how to build custom, manual geographic zones and how to connect automated third-party APIs for live carrier rates. Before we start, make sure you have full admin access to your eshopOS dashboard and keep your API keys handy for any third-party logistics carriers you plan to connect. If a customer reaches checkout and the shipping rate is missing or inaccurate, they will likely abandon the cart. A precise shipping configuration protects your margins and guarantees the sale. Under the Operate sidebar, click Shipping. The top tabs are Providers, Zones, and Fulfillments. Internal Rules creates manual flat rate tiers. Below are external providers like eshopO and Custom Courier APIs, which bypass manual rules to pull dynamic carrier rates. Choosing between manual zones and automated providers dictates whether you artificially control shipping margins or directly pass live carrier costs to the customer. Let's build a manual geographic zone. Click the Zones tab to view your active geographical rules. To set up a new region, click the green plus button on the right to open a blank configuration. Give your zone a clear name so your team recognizes it immediately. In this case, we will label it International. Next, map the specific regions that belong in this zone. We will select Europe and Africa as our target destinations. Always ensure destination tags are visibly active. Then scroll to shipping rates. Enter the service name your customer will see. We'll type Express. Finally, input your fiat value of 200 and click the white Add button. Stop right here. If you navigate away now, your customer will not see this rate. Hit the Global Save button at the top of the screen to lock this configuration in. To confirm the save was successful, check the zone summary. It should now read 2 locations, 1 rate, with your $200 express fee permanently listed. Establishing explicit manual geographic zones protects you from absorbing exorbitant international freight costs on long-distance orders. Now let's configure an automated provider. Switch back to the Providers tab, find eshopO in the list, and click Configure to open the setup modal. Open your eshopO account, generate your API token, and paste it directly into this secure field. Do not skip the Use eshopO in Checkout toggle. Leaving this box unchecked hides the live integration from your buyers entirely. If you operate a specialized or hyper-local dispatch network, you can use the Custom Courier API integration instead. Inside the Custom Courier modal, map your parameters by entering the provider name and the base URL endpoint. Next, select the correct authentication mechanism. Most modern APIs require you to set this dropdown to Bearer Token. Input your custom API key and immediately activate the checkout toggle to set the endpoint live. Finally, execute the global save command to finalize the API handshake. Successful API integrations eliminate the need for manual rate maintenance, ensuring your shipping charges are perfectly synchronized with fluctuating carrier costs. Your store now possesses a live hybrid shipping engine, capable of routing local API dispatch and calculating international manual zones. The eshopOS state engine will automatically read your customer's checkout data to seamlessly present the correct options from the newly built matrix. Setting shipping rates is only half the equation. You must now map how tax jurisdictions apply to these new rates. This accurately configured shipping architecture acts as the essential operational bridge that translates digital commerce into physical reality.